Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In the last video I noticed how filthy my exhaust tips were. I actually didn't notice them right away until I went to edit the video. Not that I knew much editing, but... So I thought I would give this a shot at cleaning this today. I got a couple of different things that I looked up, and first I'm just going to start with a regular sponge. I'm actually going to just use the soft side of the sponge and just give these a nice little clean, just with water. Not even soap. Oh yeah, man, filthy. Okay, so I'm gonna use some of this Blue Mechanics towel to, it's pretty extra absorbent, just to get some of the water out of there and dry this out. Still pretty dirty, but it's getting there. I don't really... Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use this Blue Magic metal polish cream. I've never used it before, but I'm going to read to you what it says for directions. It says stir well, rub a small amount of polish with soft cloth until black film appears. So there's going to be a black film. Buff with a clean soft cloth or buffer. Blue Magic metal polish cream leaves a silicone film for lasting protection to keep the shine. Okay, so that's sort of stir it well. So I got a screwdriver and I'm just going to stir the contents of this. Seems pretty consistent, so I don't think... Whew, man, it is got a strong smell to it. Wow. Whew. That is some chemical stuff right there, man. Super strong smell. Okay, so I'm just going to use what I have on this screwdriver on the towel, and then use that. To rub onto the metal surface. Now, as you know, with polish, you really want to kind of use it. It's basically a abrasive, right? So you kind of want to really get in there with your polish. And I don't want to give it too much either, because I want to see how effective it is, because realistically, if I'm giving it a lot of work, then that could probably work with just about any substance that was somewhat abrasive. So we'll leave it at that for that one. Trying really hard not to get on this plastic surface, because I don't know what that's going to do to plastic. Probably not good things. All right. So I'm just gonna put this aside. I'm gonna grab my clean rag. I have microfiber rag, but this isn't a very high quality microfiber rag. Honestly, it's okay. It's like the Costco one. I wouldn't use this to clean the car, but I think it's fine for this application. It looks like this little wall is kind of the most resilient so far. I'm just gonna go at it a little bit more. But I can see it making a difference, so that's really nice. And you know, you could take a lot of products and do this. It's just a matter of like how much elbow grease are you willing to put in, and this product doesn't seem to require too much elbow grease. It's this gunk is coming out, and I'm gonna guess that in its 8 years, this car has never had its tips, the chrome tips, cleaned well anyway. I'm sure it's been through plenty of car washes where the guy just gave it the once over. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see this. This little spot right here is remaining. So let me show you how it takes care of that. I'm just gonna grab a quick little dab, apply it to there, and then, oops. All right, so now I'm gonna take the clean rag again, or the dry rag anyway. It's not really clean anymore. So, quite dramatic, the change. It is quite dramatic. All right, so it's been a couple of days since I filmed the first part of this video, and I've been driving it, and I actually just got back from a drive, so these are a little hot, but I had some good sunlight, so I wanted to get the second part of this video just showing it to you in daylight. As you can see, it's like a really nice restoration on these, with a pretty amateur application of this Blue Magic metal polish cream. I bought this at the local AutoZone, and it was the only thing they had on shelf, so I didn't really have much hope for it. But since then, obviously I'm a believer seeing it in person, but I also found it on Amazon, and it had like 1,200 really great reviews. So apparently people know about this stuff, and this little jar that it comes in, or can, or whatever you want to call it, this will last me a lifetime of keeping these chrome tips polished. I don't really have anything else that's chrome, although this can be applied to aluminum, magnesium, brass, gold, copper, silver, stainless steel, and fiberglass. So I'm not sure how it's going to perform on those other things, but it did really well here, guys. This was about a 30-40 minute investment of time, and that was coming from a really bad shape. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm happy to answer them. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. Thank you.